Mendel's dihybrid cross. Dihybrid cross is a cross between pure breeds with two pairs of contrast characters. Mendel had chosen two pure plants with two pairs of contrast traits, yellow and round seed, along with green and wrinkled seed. Yellow round seeded plants were with capital R alleles, and green wrinkled seeded plants were with small r alleles. When Mendel cross-pollinated between these plants, all the plants appeared in F1 generation were yellow and round-seeded. Coming to the case of gametes formation, they would have capital R alleles and small r alleles respectively. On combination of two types of gametes, they produced a heterozygous yellow round-seeded plants in F1 generation. Then Mandel allowed self-pollination in F1 generation plants. There appeared plants with phenotypic ratio 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Why not of 3 is to 1 as in monohybrid cross? Let us see how alleles combine with each other during gametes formation. Capital Y may be with capital R or small r, and capital R with small y or capital Y. When these four types of gametes combined with one another, plants appeared in F2 generation were like this. 9 yellow round seeded, 3 green round seeded, 3 yellow wrinkled seeded, and 1 green wrinkled seeded plants. Hence, phenotypic ratio in F2 generation of dihybrid cross is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. And observe here, green round seeded and yellow wrinkled seeded plants were new to the cross. These traits were not observed in past two generations. Where did they come from? Law of independent assortment explains in the inheritance of more than one pair of traits, the factors or alleles of each pair of characters assorted independently of the other pair. That means yellow color trait did not depend on round trait and green color in the same way on wrinkled trait at the time of inheritance. On consolidation of Mendel's dihybrid cross, Mendel selected two pure breeds containing two pairs of contrast traits, yellow round and green wrinkled seeded. He cross-pollinated between them in F1 generation. The appeared plants shown traits of yellow round seed. When he allowed only self-pollination in F1 generation plants, F2 generation were appeared with 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 ratio. In F2 generation, appearance of plants showing new traits is due to the free and independent assortment of each trait and its inheritance.